Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea and welcome to my BT21 series. Today I'll be showing you how to make the pinkish tough bunny named Cookie. So for the head, we want to take a ball of pink clay and slightly flatten it. And we want to make it slightly like an oval, not exactly a perfect circle. Then for the body, you want to take some pink clay and roll into a fat cylinder, and using your blade, you want to cut off the end. Next, we're going to make the heart butt, so we're taking some yellow clay and pinching it into a triangle and making an indent with our blade to make it a heart, and slowly press that onto the body. And we want to make sure we keep the shape as clean as possible, so we're going to take our tools and make the borders a little bit more defined as we press it in. And once the heart is set, you want to attach the body onto the head, and the heart will be the back side of the bunny. To make the legs, you want to roll out the clay into a skinny cylinder and cut it at a slant so it's easier to attach onto the body. And for the arms, you want to take some yellow clay and attach it onto the pink clay, slightly flatten it, and you want to roll it gently so it blends together. And then you want to cut it at a slant, just like the legs. Next thing on the agenda, you want to attach the legs onto the body. And next, we are attaching the arms onto the body. Now for the ears, you want to take the pink clay and roll it into a carrot shape, and then flatten it out. And with the light yellow clay, you also want to roll that into a smaller carrot shape. And flatten the yellow piece of clay on top of the pink piece of clay. For the next step, you want to cut off the end of the ears and attach the ears onto the head. And you want to make sure one ear is standing up straight and then the other ear is slightly bent. For the face, we're going to give it some dot eyes. A W smile. A triangle nose. A skinny triangle angry eyebrow. And one skinny rectangular eyebrow. And then you want to add a little dot of pink clay for the tail in the middle of the heart. And then you want to bake according to instructions, and there you have your very own Cookie, the little bunny from the BTPlanet. And I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I have 6 more characters coming out, so don't forget to watch out for those. Thank you!